welcome to my home. Today I'm going to talk about vertically growing your cantaloupes in your containers, and I'm going to show you what I do to help train my cantaloupe plants to grow up and not across the ground. But before we go there, I want to let you know that I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, I have product reviews, meditation videos, and other container gardening videos where I show you how to grow a variety of vegetables in containers. So let's go outside and look at those cantaloupe plants. So here's the pot. Here's the it's a very short tomato cage. And then I have that green tomato pole, we call that tomato stake. And throughout the plant, I have made ties to hold the vine to go up the cage and ties to help it go up the pole as well. So this particular cantaloupe has 3 cantaloupes on there. The bigger one that I've already put into the little hammock, and then there's 2 smaller ones that are too small to be. Here's the other one. They're too small. I don't need to really do anything with those yet. Now the thing with cantaloupe is that it will have a whole lot of male flowers. I mean, it'll have a ton of male flowers before you get any of the female flowers. And the importance of that is, I'm sure you've guessed, it's the female flowers that will actually develop cantaloupes. Now, even though I'm growing this vertically, I don't have to do that. It's in a container, and what I could have done is just let each of these little vines trail all across the deck, but I don't have the space to give up for that because we do use this deck, and that's why I'm doing the vertical process instead. Now this is another thing you can do. If you have your cantaloupe next to a fence, like this is a railing on the deck, I'm going to make use of this deck by wrapping some of these vines around the deck railing and tie them there, and that'll give me support as well. As your melons get bigger, you're going to have to give them some type of support. I like to use something like a knee-high, or you can even use pantyhose. I wanted a wider surface, so I just cut it down the middle. Then I just poked a hole on this end. And poked a hole on the other end. Put the green tie through it, made a hammock, and then tied it onto the stake. And that's all there is to it. Super simple. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye bye.